Rim, right now we are going to the wet market where we can buy live fish and give in the kitchen and they will prepare. So you can see that restaurant. Yeah, this is the market and yeah.
Then they'll take extra money.
They'll take extra money for cooking only.
Yeah.
But we can buy our own fish and we can give our own fish whatever we want. Yeah, yeah. But because
We'll take live one only.
yeah, we'll take live one.
Their cooking is a little bit sweet. Even
Yeah.
finding a little sweet.
I would think,
Yeah.
what do you want today, madam? Let me see.
We'll see.
Fried fish?
This is mantis lobster.
Here. Yeah, mantis shrimp. What do you want, madam?
Everybody's calling us.
Oh, that fish one is that one.
I think so.
But see, when they cook it, they will
Yeah, like that. Cuts, little small,
they
and
will
the
do
fried.
not small.
Yeah.
So I should not take this one. I'll take the small one. Also try for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one the fried.
Small one is also tasty as well.
This one for barbecue or steam, everything okay. This one cooking very easy.
Okay.
This one like that is cooking easy. Look at that. That's my idea.
Then let's go. Yeah. Oh, we didn't ask that also. No.
They don't have mutton, she has small ones. You want some?
Okay.
I think it's there.
What?
How much money?
This one for one piece.
He has big one, bigger one. Yours is small.
Bigger one. This one more big.
Oh,
How much?
This one 4 people, maybe this one enough.
How
oh
much?
4 people. Look.
How much?
Nếu lại mama lại quý
How
chị.
much money?
He has to calculate. No.
480. This one I
480.
give you 400 baht for you.
No. Lobster, how much?
Lobster.
This is small one. Big one.
You là mà miếng này nè.
Half kilo.
It wants to live and fight.
See, that one same price is getting better for the same price. 100 baht, 10 gram.
Vegetarian very cheap.
Vegetarian, I myself will not eat at home also. Why will I come to Thailand and eat? What is this?
Yeah.
Don't even know what it is. It's like bamboo shoots.
What is that?
I don't know what it is.
This one, look up. Amo. This one amo. No is. What you want, you see? The crab garlic pepper, this one.
Yeah.
Don't show us that. You just tell price.
Yeah. Yeah.
Price, mantis shrimp, what is price, lobster. You tell price first.
Yeah. This also. You want to eat this? No, Asula?
Very big.
Fish and better. This one. Small one, you need some quick
They
and
said
small.
more people can't eat.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
said they will not eat, so I can't take some.
Huh? Is that?
You, this one. Female. You, I lost this one. About 150 about.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's stomach, right? That's all.
After saying, I don't want to eat. It's heavy.
1 kilo, 200 baht.
1 kg
This is live.
live.
1 kilo. 200 baht.
How many people can eat?
Why?
No. How many people can eat? 2, 3, 4.
4 people, okay.
Oh, 4 people. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. How much it wait?
Okay.
I know this one.
Okay.
No. Mang con nhá. Mang con về.
Oh, you want this one? This one like this one? This one very
No, no,
cheap.
no,
Oh,
no, no,
This one. Yeah,
no.
this one good.
Did
Take
I see
no.
it? Oh, no, 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 no. It's white bottle. Did I see it? I was thinking we'll take small of this very big.
How many people is? You want two?
Two people.
Two, okay lah.
Yeah.
This one, little bit small. Yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise it will waste.
Very big lah.
Yeah, very big.
If they see it, we'll try next time because first time I don't know.
Yeah.
Big. This is 200. This is 120. Very small.
Okay, this is no 1 kilo. This is 1 kilo. Together discount. Yeah, this one average price. All same.
How much that lobster?
What do you want something?
How much this? Give discount, no?
Yeah, discount together. I give you discount. No, one discount, 1 by 1 discount. I give it together. You buy already. I give
Yeah,
you
yeah,
discount.
one buy.
Yeah. What do you want something more?
Okay, okay.
What a prawn, fish, sea bass, fish, sea bass.
Okay, wait for him. So we have to buy here live one and we have to go to the second floor for a restaurant.
This is small prawn, white prawn. Massage, scaro.
How much is lobster?
But he will give discount. What you want take? He said
560?
take.
Yeah, I give
How
it
much?
together
He
discount.
will give discount.
Oh, okay.
Take what
Yeah.
we want.
Okay.
You want something more?
Then we'll take crab also now one.
Yeah.
Don't take more, right? Or you want it? No,
What
no.
is that crab?
Black crab.
What is that color?
Black crab.
Yeah, this one or yellow
Tasty?
curry or sting. Very
Huh?
good. This one male. Yeah, female.
Oh, this is male.
Yeah,
Okay. This is cheap and this is expensive.
yeah.
Why? Taste difference? No, I don't
Yeah,
know.
different. This one or female.
No, taste is different or taste is same?
Which one is
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay, then give that.
This one.
Yeah.
This is a female or F.
Egg.
Yeah.
Ah. Female has egg.
I want egg.
Oh, I want.
You want egg?
egg?
Egg is there.
In that's male. No egg.
Yeah. F very good. Yeah. Yeah. You want a big one?
Yeah, we can take a bigger one also.
Sure.
Can't this. Oh, this is big. This is small, no?
This is most more brother.
Huh?
This is most more. This is fish.
Okay.
How many? 3.
Two
2.
or one.
We can take 3 also. Fine.
Two. How much we have?
3.
Okay. How much kg?
This is half kilo.
Okay.
This is 700 gram.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I know one.
Okay.
Yeah, this is half kilo.
Okay. How much?
Squid?
No, no.
Squid? No, brother. Enough. Only 2 people. How much to eat? Very big lobster. Okay. Wait.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you. So Asola, what all did you buy?
We buy lobster and then 3.
Wait, we'll show over there, no? Oh, money. Sorry, forgot. Sorry. Forgot. Okay.
Because of the
Yeah, because of video, forgot.
you pay for it.
Yeah, so you show, no? What all we took.
Because this is 4 people, so I don't want to take this
Yeah.
because I don't come there. So we bought this small one snail,
One.
and then we took 3
Lady crabs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we bought lobster. It's inside here.
This is guy crabs.
So they give compliment that.
Where is, we took lobster also. So we took lobster as well. And then, what else did we take? Oh, they gave complimentary. They give complimentary squid and snails as well. Yeah, it was nice. Happy? Huh? Yeah. Let's see what our friends bought. So what did you buy? Grouper, huh?
No, we bought sea bass,
Okay.
lobster,
Oh,
then oyster,
Oh.
mantis shrimp.
okay. Ah. Ah. The big one. Huh? Enough? No.
Octopus.
This way, bro. Oh. Is that?
We have to buy butter.
Okay.
Vegetables will cook normal like.
They will cook, no?
So we bought in first floor in market. So second floor there is restaurant. They will cook and give them. We'll pay them extra amount.
Yeah. That I'm not sure. Because they still have to put
So
tomato.
you can buy drinks.
They
You
still.
can buy cold drink outside. You can have it here.
That they don't allow.
They don't allow.
But yesterday I spoke to him and he said, yeah, if we pay him extra.
Figure out what they do to have it. And I'm so excited. But how we have to eat gravy or we try?
We'll make gravy, we'll make dry, everything.
Can you remove that from the cover?
If you want to take one photo, just put it on there.
Hold this, bro.
You're taking video.
I'm just taking video. Can you remove this?
This fried with garlic butter.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, wait, tell.
Oh, that's oyster. huh?
Put that on.
Nice.
Carrot.
Scam this lobster, full lobster, and with a snail.
Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp.
Oh, I can't pronounce it. Difficult from. There's a full fish. So they have different flavor. They order this one.
Crab is not.
I
Oh,
ordered
crab
it.
he said
Crab
last
not
with
yet
rice.
came.
With
Okay.
rice he said crab.
What is this one?
Oyster.
So our food had arrived. Not full arrived. Now we order a snail, not a small snail and then crab. Oh, as you can see, very big. Here we buy in market and we'll bring here and they will cook and they will charge money.
Sauce. Black pepper sauce.
So they might have this food.